Welcome to the IBM Cloud Object Storage Review, Usage Experience. Links to the product are available in the description below. IBM Cloud Object Storage is a highly scalable and secure cloud storage solution designed for businesses, developers, and enterprises that require reliable storage for large volumes of unstructured data. Built for flexibility, it supports a wide range of use cases, including data archiving, backup, analytics, and application development. What sets IBM Cloud Object Storage apart is its ability to handle massive datasets efficiently, making it a top choice for industries like finance, healthcare, and media that deal with data-intensive workflows. One of the key features of IBM Cloud Object Storage is its scalable architecture, which allows users to store and access unlimited amounts of data without worrying about infrastructure constraints. It offers a tiered pricing model with options like Standard Vault for infrequently accessed data and Cold Vault for long-term archiving, enabling businesses to optimize costs based on their data usage patterns. Additionally, it provides cross-region resiliency, ensuring that your data is replicated across multiple locations for enhanced availability and durability. IBM Cloud Object Storage is also known for its advanced security capabilities. It uses end-to-end encryption, including encryption at rest and in transit, and integrates with IBM's Key Protect service for key management. Role-based access control and bucket policies allow businesses to maintain granular control over who can access their data, ensuring compliance with regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, and CCPA. For developers, IBM offers robust integration capabilities. The platform supports standard S3 APIs, making it easy to integrate with existing tools and workflows. It also pairs seamlessly with IBM's AI and analytics services, enabling businesses to derive insights from their stored data. Furthermore, its compatibility with hybrid cloud setups allows businesses to store and process data across on-premises and cloud environments seamlessly. IBM Cloud Object Storage is ideal for organizations looking for a cost-effective, secure, and highly scalable storage solution. Whether you need to archive terabytes of historical data or enable real-time analytics on large datasets, this platform delivers excellent performance and flexibility. Check out the links in the description for more details.